Hey everyone, I'm Garrett Powell, and today we're going to be talking about different ways to create passive income. I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video and liking and subscribing if you find value in any of these videos. I'd like to start off by just giving you a little bit of information about what this channel is going to be about and who I am. So this channel isn't just going to tell you how to become financially free. It's going to show you exactly how to do that, and you're going to be able to model everything that I do while I create my wealth. This is going to be possible because I'm going to start at ground zero with all of you guys. So whether you're in college, try not to live paycheck to paycheck and escape this economic trap that our society has created, or if you're looking to get out of that 9-to-5 job that you keep working every day of your life. Everything that you learn here is going to be applicable, and you'll be able to take into your daily lives to help you achieve your financial freedom. And for any of you wondering, I'm 19 years old, I'm not having any help financially to achieve these goals, but I do have two incredible mentors that are teaching me everything they know in different areas of their expertise. And I've made it my mission by going to Chris Crone real estate seminars, Tony Robbins UPW seminars, and Sean Callaghan's integrity-based human influence seminars to get as much knowledge as I can so that I'm able to obtain my goals, and I'm also able to teach others how they can create their dreams. And I want to be very upfront right now, because as I grow and develop my own income, I will be showing you exactly how I'm doing it and being as transparent about it as possible. This way, you'll know for sure that these are things that you can genuinely model and recreate for yourself. Now, let's briefly talk about the 3 types of incomes that you can make. Now, the first type of income that you can start is active income. And this means that you work jobs and you work hourly wages for other people, or even start your business and become an operator of that business. Now, this can be seriously hindering to developing the wealth that you want, because you only have so many hours in a day that you can exchange for money. And unless you're being a business owner and not operator, which means you are setting up a system that runs itself and you don't have to do any of the work instead of being a part of the business and doing all the other work inside of it, it will be very difficult to get out of the trap of living paycheck to paycheck. Now, the second type of income is portfolio income. And this involves any investments, interest, royalties, capital gains, and everything of that type. And while this can be great, and I guess I would kind of consider it a subcategory of passive income, your ROI, which stands for return on investment, will usually be a little bit more limited than the things we'll be talking about in this video. Don't get me wrong, it can still be better than keeping your money in a bank when it's set up the correct way, but it's still only going to be averaging about a 5 to 8% ROI. And lastly, we have passive income. And this means that we're taking an asset and making it so our money works for us. Now, if that didn't quite make sense, it's going to make sense because I'm going to explain it in different ways to create passive income. And what better way to explain how this passive income is going to work than showing you exactly how I'm going to be setting up my passive income. Now, the first topic of passive income that I want to talk about is real estate. I know you've probably heard this 1,000 times, and you may even be getting tired of hearing this. But the truth is that real estate is just one of the best assets that you could possibly obtain. And my mentor is showing me exactly how to get a 20% ROI on these real estate assets that I will be obtaining. And in a later video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. But for now, if you're super excited and that sounds incredible to you, I'll tell you 2 things right now. Start working on your job history. You need a 2-year job history, and you need good credit. These 2 things are essential from getting a loan from the bank, unless you're going to go and buy a home outright. Now, the second way of creating passive income is doing exactly what I'm doing right now. And that's starting a YouTube channel. This may sound crazy because not a lot of people are talking about to do this and how to do this. But this is one of the biggest ways that you can obtain one of the highest ROIs. Think about it. Every time you make a video, it's almost like purchasing an asset. That asset can make you money at any point when any viewer goes back and watches a video or subscribes and likes your channel. Once that asset is in place, it can start making you money at any point in time. And I'm telling you guys, there is not a better time than to do this right now. The reason for that is because there's so many people at home right now, and there are so many eyes on this platform that you have a great chance of being discovered. Now, the third type of passive income is a little unique, and it might not be something you hear all the time either, and that's affiliate marketing with Amazon. Basically, what this means is that you're getting paid to bring buyers to Amazon's website for certain products that you are sponsoring. Now, this probably sounds like that it falls more under the category of active income, which it totally could. But the way I'm doing it, I'm taking all of this equipment, and if any of you guys on this channel decide to put these things into action, they'll be able to go into my link and purchase these items through my Amazon affiliate marketing link. And even though this may not be a lot, everything adds up in the long run. And it's super useful to anyone who's trying to get started because they don't have to go searching for their own equipment. That's it for this video on passive income. But if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you can get notifications on every video that goes live every week. Also, leave any comments down in the comment sections of subjects you'd like me to talk about or questions that you have.